Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you a very useful tip in Excel that quickly allows you to see the average, the count, and the sum of a range of data. Here I have just some random numbers for different car types and hypothetical sales week over week. Here I have the totals by week and by car type, which is great. You can see that on an individual row. But what if you wanted to see maybe 2 rows or 3 rows? You'd have to go through and create a sum function. However, Excel has made it very easy to be able to see that information. All you have to do is click and highlight a data range. So let's say we just wanted to see these 2 rows. Highlight those, select those, and then you just go look at the bottom of your Excel window and it will give you the average. So what's the average number of sales by week and by car type? It gives you count of sales selected, and then it also gives you the sum of those total sales. And so you could go ahead and select that entire data range, and it will give you the sum is, as you can see down here, is 2250, which we know through a sum function, that's correct there. The count, we've got 30 cells, and the average sales over that time period is 75. And so this is a very, very helpful little tip that can save you a lot of time. I know it saved me a lot of time in my career, being able to select large data ranges without having to go through and create several different sum functions. So something to keep in mind next time you need to do something like that. Go ahead and check it out. Please let me know if you have any other questions about this little tip, or if you have any other questions you'd like me to answer, or videos you'd like me to make. Please remember to subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks.